Hey, what's up? If you're on the hunt for the best wireless keyboards, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've tested and researched to bring you the top keyboard picks of 2025. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best wireless keyboards of 2025. From ergonomic workhorses to ultra-responsive gaming beasts with sleek designs and smart features. And hey, all the keyboards we mention are linked in the description. They're Amazon affiliate links, so you can check them out anytime and support the channel at no extra cost. Let's dive in and find the perfect wireless keyboard to level up your setup this year. Number 5. Logitech Wave Keys. Wireless keyboard. Meet the Logitech Wave Keys for Business, a wireless keyboard that's all about comfort and security. Its wave-shaped keys and cushioned palm rest give your wrists extra support, so typing feels natural and easy. With super secure Logi Bolt technology, your connection stays safe, and it works smoothly with Windows, Mac, Chrome, and Linux. Plus, the battery lasts up to 3 years. It's eco-friendly too, made with recycled materials. Perfect for long work days and keeping your setup neat and comfy. Number 4. Razer Pro Type Ultra. Meet the Razer Pro Type Ultra, a wireless mechanical keyboard built for productivity. It's super quiet thanks to silent linear switches and sound-dampening foam, perfect for focused work at home or in the office. The soft-touch, fingerprint-resistant keys and cushioned wrist rest keep things comfy during long hours. You can connect up to 4 devices and switch between them with a click, no more constant pairing. Plus, it's fully programmable, so you can set up macros, shortcuts, and smart controls to match your workflow. With Razer Hyperspeed Wireless, it stays fast and responsive, and it's built to last up to 80 million clicks. Number 3. Corsair K100 AIR Wireless. It's ultra-thin, just 11 millimeters at its slimmest, with a premium brushed aluminum frame that looks amazing on any desk. You get 3 ways to connect: ultra-fast slipstream wireless, low-latency Bluetooth, up to 3 devices, or USB wired with a crazy 8,000 Hz polling rate. The Cherry MX ultra-low profile switches feel super responsive with a short 0.8 millimeter actuation, perfect for gaming or typing. Switch between up to 5 devices instantly and stay secure with AES 128-bit encryption. It's got per-key RGB lighting, a smart volume roller, media hotkeys, and up to 50 hours of battery life, or 200 hours with lights off. Whether you're working or gaming, this keyboard is built to crush both. Number 2. Keychron Q1 HE. The Keychron Q1 HE isn't just a keyboard. It's a next-gen typing and gaming machine. The Keychron is the world's first wireless QMK keyboard with Hall-effect magnetic switches and rapid trigger tech. It's hot-swappable, ultra-customizable, and lets you set actuation points from 0.5 to 3.8 millimeters, even assign multiple actions to one key based on how deeply you press. Connect via 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth or USB-C, and switch between devices effortlessly. You get a full aluminum build, double gasket design, durable PBT keycaps, and stunning south-facing RGB lighting. Plus, with the Keychron web app, you can remap keys, set macros, and personalize every detail. Number 1. Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. The Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro 75% is made for serious gamers. It features true 4K Hz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and lets you switch between 3 devices with ultra-fast response. It's hot swappable, supports 3 or 5 pin switches, and comes with Gen 3 orange tactile switches for that crisp feel. You get a slick OLED display, a command dial with up to 100 custom modes, and a premium typing feel with sound-dampening foam, lubed stabilizers, and a gasket-mounted plate. Add in per-key chroma RGB and 2-side underglow, and this board doesn't just perform, it glows. I hope this list of the best wireless keyboards was helpful. If you're thinking about upgrading your setup, check the links in the description for the latest prices and full details. Got a favorite keyboard or a go-to setup for work or gaming? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Type smart, stay productive.